Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal email account, then show you the necessary steps to set one up. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website, then click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to choose between a personal account or a business account. Have your current phone number ready for verification and your preferred email address close by, as these are crucial for security. Deciding on your account type is an important step. If you are an individual wanting to send money to friends or shop online, a personal account is the right choice for you. However, if you run a small business or sell goods, a business account provides more features, such as processing customer payments and generating invoices. Make your selection carefully as it influences your account's capabilities. Next, you will need to provide some personal information to secure your account. Enter your full legal name, your date of birth, and your current residential address. It is crucial to use accurate details for successful verification. You will also create a strong, unique password to protect your account. Finally, complete the phone verification by entering the 6-digit code that PayPal sends to your mobile phone. To fully utilize your PayPal account, you need to link a payment method. You can securely link your bank account directly. PayPal will verify it with small deposits and withdrawals taking 1 to 2 business days. Another option is to link a debit or credit card by providing its details, including the 16-digit card number and the 3-digit security code from the back. This step ensures you can easily send money and make online payments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.